Hello everyone and welcome to Jonas Software. In this video I'm going to go through the steps of how to set up a chart of accounts. The chart of accounts is a listing of your general account numbers and the account titles used by your company. So the accounts are usually arranged in the GL in a financial statement order. So that is assets first, followed by your liabilities, your retained earnings, then your revenue and expenses. The number of accounts you will need will depend on the size of your company. There are several advantages to grouping accounts in logical sequence, more specifically in regards to the financial statement order. So a trial balance is prepared by listing the GL account balances, and it works from the first account to the last. Therefore, if accounts are located in the GL in financial statement order, the same sequence will actually be followed in your trial balance. This arrangement will make it easier for you to interpret the balance sheet and income statement, and it also will allow you to locate any account in the GL a lot easier. So there are two methods to uploading these accounts. The first method is through Excel. So you can actually create your accounts on an Excel spreadsheet and upload it into Jonas. We'll go into System Administration, and we'll go down to Jonas Template Upload Construction and select the Merge GL Accounts. On the top right corner, you'll notice a button called Specs. This will give you the layout of your file, so it must be uploaded with this specific layout. The column needs to have your GL account, and then the second column needs to have your account description. Here is an example. Column 1 has the account number, so 1000, and the description in column 2 is cash. And you'll notice it's set up through assets, liabilities, and so on. So you'll just select this folder button here and you'll locate your document on the computer. Select the document and select your company, and then you can go ahead and click OK. The second method is actually to upload it manually. The second method is to actually enter in the accounts manually. So we're going to go into GL, General Ledger. We'll go into Files, and we'll select Setup Edit Chart of Accounts. Select your company, and this is where you will enter in your account number. So if we look at the accounts, you'll notice I started my accounts with 1000. Then my second account, petty cash, was 1010, 1020, 1030, and I'm actually going up by tens. The reason for this is because these numbers are not all assigned, and they're held as reserves so that any additional accounts can be inserted into your chart of accounts in proper sequence if such accounts become necessary. I've generally used my numbers 1000 to 2900 exclusively for asset accounts and liabilities. Okay, then my range of 5,000 is for my equity and retained earnings, and then the number 6,000 range can be your revenue, and 7,000 to 9,000 is your expense. That's generally a good way to organize it. So you'd enter in your account number, and in the description you would type in the account name, and then you can go on to the next one. Now you will also notice it says line number on financial statement A. What this is it allows you to match the account number with a line number on your reporting. So it just makes it more organized. So for example, if I pull up one of my statements, you will notice under cash, 1000, the financial line statement is also 1000. 1010 petty cash, so all entries will be on the petty cash line. For TD Bank, it's 1011, and now it says line number not set up. This is because I have not set up the line number. We'll go ahead and do that. In order to do this, we're going to go into Design, go down to Setup, Edit Financial Statement Line Numbers, select your company name, your statement design code, and then under Type, we're going to select balance sheet or income statement. Because we are doing a bank, it's going to be on our balance sheet. And now we want to add another line number. And again, the line number should be the same as the account number. So for TD Bank, our account number was 1011. And in description, we will write the name of the account. Click OK and F4. Now we can go into Files, Set Up Edit Chart of Accounts, and we are going to link this line number that we set up with the TD Bank account. So pull up the TD Bank, and line number you want to just enter in 1011. Click OK, F4, and now we can take a look at the layout of our statement. So we'll go back to Design and select Statement, Design Layout Report. Click Print, and we can view it or we can file it. And you will notice TD Bank, the line number is now 1011, and all the information for that account will fill into the same line. And that is how you set up a chart of accounts in General Ledger. Thank you.